Hi everyone. Can I ask you something? Do you remember a time when you could actually sit down and just focus? No checking your phone. No opening 10 tabs. No random scrolling for just a minute. Because lately it feels different, right? You sit down to work, 5 minutes later you're somehow on your phone, or watching something, or thinking about something else. And then that voice shows up. Why am I like this? I used to focus better. I just need more discipline. But what if it's not about discipline at all? Let's be honest. Most of us wake up, and the first thing we do is reach for our phones. We scroll, we swipe, we refresh. Every scroll gives your brain something new. A new image, a new idea, a new little surprise. It feels small, but it adds up. Your brain starts getting used to speed. Fast stimulation, constant novelty. So when you sit down to read a book, or study, or work on something important, it feels slow, almost uncomfortable. Not because you're incapable, but because your brain has been trained to expect constant excitement. Here's the part nobody talks about. Deep focus is quiet. There's no fireworks, no instant reward, no quick dopamine hit. It's just you and the work. And compared to the internet, that feels boring. But boring doesn't mean bad. It just means your brain is adjusting. Then comes the worst part. You get distracted and you blame yourself. You think you're lazy. You think you're getting worse. You think something is wrong with you. That guilt feels heavy. And when we feel bad about ourselves, what do we usually do? We look for relief. So we scroll again. Not because we're weak, but because our brain wants comfort. And just like that, the cycle repeats. So what can you actually do? Not some extreme delete all social media forever plan. Just small shifts. Make distractions a little harder to reach. Put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Close the extra tabs. And make focus slightly easier. Start with 10 minutes. Not 2 hours. Just 10. Your brain isn't broken. It's just overstimulated. And overstimulation can be reversed gently over time. At the end of the day, you're not less capable than you were before. You're living in a louder world. Your brain adapted to it. Now it just needs space to slow down again. So don't call yourself lazy and don't fight your brain like it's the enemy. Work with it. That's all for today. And if this made you feel a little less alone, I'll see you in the next one.